Therefore. How you doing? Yes, I'm Officer Galucci with the town of Ocean Ridge. The reason why I'm pulling you over is your tag is expired. I'll need your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because your tag is expired.
Okay.
Okay?
Am I breaking the law?
Yes, your tag is expired.
Any crime?
Yes, your tag is
Do you
expired.
have a supervisor?
I am the supervisor right now. So I'll need your license. You have a choice, okay? And I'm going to explain this to you really probably once or twice to you.
Midnight on March 3rd, 2025, Ek routine school zone traffic stop. Reason? Illegal left turn into a school parking lot. Sun main Chodi SI traffic violation lagdi high. Lekin AAP notice carrying kais, Yi Chodi SI, turn puri situation, kyo escalate car dedi high. Officer clearly bolta high. You still can't make that left turn. Yahan legal context simple high. Agar Wan posted sign no left turn high. To violation ho chuki high. Chihi school hours ho yanaho. Jab tax sign conditional naho. Traffic code enforceable high. Driver ka pala reaction defensive high. How am I going to get to the school? Yan situation bilkul things ho gay. Kaun ke reasoning aur justification start ho huke high. AAP Kia Sakti Hain? Kia urgency. I'm late. Dropping my daughter. Traffic law KO override Cardi High. Yalaw Sab Kalia equal apply Hoda High. Officer allow Carda High Ku Wapeli child drop care. Deki Kai's control Benaya Ja Raha High with discretion. Yikortisi High. Obligation Nai. E point critical high. Short summary. Lawful stop initiate Ho Chuka High. Violation articulate o Chuki. Up focus shift Hoga documentacion pa.
Okay? I will call my supervisor, but if you fail to produce your information...
Call your supervisor. I'm not failing to do anything. I'm asking for you.
No, yes, you are.
No, I'm asking
It's
for your
upon
supervisor.
demand.
I'm demanding your supervisor.
No, you don't get to demand my supervisor.
Servant.
You wait. Because
You serve the public.
Yes,
I didn't cause any crime. I didn't hurt
509.
anybody. I'm not.
526, would you 56 me here? Now I need your license, please.
I'm not doing anything commercially. So.
Your tag is expired. Come here, I'll show you.
No.
It's right here. 'Stay here, don't move.
Zero 47 Ku Bad Officer Clear Demand Carta High. License, registration, proof of insurance. Yahan Ek Procedural Nuance Samajna Zarori High. Jab Police Emergency Lights Activate Care. Wait Ek Legal Detention Hodi High. AAP Legally Free Nahi Oat. Walk Away Karn Kaliya. Driver repeatedly pooch Rahi High. What crime did I commit? Aap notice karen kaise officer tepateme nahi yaraha. Vosif compliance temant kar raha hai. Situation abe maximum escalate on que age pahai. Officer warn Carta High. If you refuse, you're going to jail. Ye threat nahi, legal consequence con notice high. AAP Kia expect car rahida? Warning? Citation? Yarist. Jab driver Katie High. We're not doing that. Yahan Se refusal documented ho raha high. Or refusal lawful detention, ku doran, failure to identify ya obstruction, ban sakta high. Transition up escalation physical phase mine enta honavali high.
Registration. Driver license not valid. 2018. White. June. Utility.
So is this your Jeep?
It is not.
Okay, I already know that.
Right. So.
It's still a lawful stop.
It's lawful.
It's a lawful stop. It's a legal.
152. You're going to jail. We're done. Ye digisive moment high. Zahan opfisa kun kakata high ke vunta komlian unlikali high. Deki Kai's officer physical control attempt Carta High. Give me another hand. Ye arrest protocol high. Subject KO handcuff Karna officer safety. Kuliya standard procedure high. Driver ku emotional reactions intense hain. You're going to ruin my life. Yahan drama high high. School environment. Child present earlier. Public optics. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer repeatedly command Dita high. Face the car. Clar, simple, repetable commands. Y escalación our control kahisha high. Legal context. Jab suspect active resistance care. Jay's arms pulled back Karna. To were resisting without violence. Charged justify car sakta high. Har second ka impact critical high. Agar Yahan compliance mil jati. To shade outcome different hoda. Short transition. Supervisor scene par at a high.
Stop.
It's illegal. It's illegal or lawful?
It's legal, and I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing, sir. I'm asking you.
I'm asking you for your driver's license. You're driving a vehicle in the state of Florida, and you are.
Traveling.
I-
I'm traveling.
So you're going to play that game.
No, I'm not playing any
Oh,
game.
yeah.
This is my freedom
Okay.
we're talking about
Yeah,
here.
it is. And sure,
We're talking about you.
my sergeant's on his way, and
We're
you
talking about you as a
my
public servant.
my sergeant's on the way, and you can talk to
You
him.
can talk to him.
Yeah,
And I hope you know.
I hope you know.
what you're doing.
I hope I do too.
Okay.
Bonja 35 foot kebat superviso stukata questioning stakata high. Ye important procedural safeguard high. One neutral tarike se facts verificarta high. AAP notice carrying Kai's supervisor clarify carta high. When lights activate, that is a legal detention. You don't have a right to walk away. Ye Fourth Amendment framework ka core concept high. Traffic stop equals temporary seizure. Or us Dorn ID provide karna legal obligation hoda high. Superviso video zivu kata high. Iechenspun ka elemen high. Bodycam evidence real-time decision KO validate car raha high. Critical turning point. On 3 separate occasions, you decided to argue. Yahan officer ku file ka asar turant daika. Superviso impen kun kata high adet vestifit high. AAP kia sakti hain? Kia vito zivu kebat situtino viva ho sakti ti. If facts already clear the? Transition up custody confirm ho chuki high.
536. I'll be going 1097. You can see back.
$9.58. I watched the video. E-line powerful high. Emotional appeals, kubajud decision, evidence-based high. Driver apology cardi high. Lekin legal system, timing P operate cardi high. Refus al moment record o chuka high. AAP notice carrying Kai's supervisor calmly explained cardi high. This would have been a simple ticket had you complied. Zahan ek bada lesson high. Zaudit argument dadili alkumimpo kata high. Situation up legally stable high leaking emotionally breakdown phase mine high. My kids, please. Ye human side high policing ka. AAP kia sakti hang? Officer discretion yahan. Or use host saktada? Dek insistency mantan karna saroritiacha. Transition. Practical concerns handle ho rahi hang.
Back out real quick.
Not right now. I'm on a call, so as soon as possible. I won't hold you up long.
Tag is expired,
Uh huh.
and she won't produce her driver's license, registration, or insurance.
Okay.
She's traveling.
Okay.
Sir,
Hi. Good. How you doing?
I'm doing.
Good. So I'm the day shift supervisor.
Hi.
This officer has conducted a lawful traffic stop.
Is it lawful or illegal?
It's a lawful traffic stop.
And
Yes.
what law am I
Well, okay.
breaking?
Apparently, it's
What law? Is that?
okay. We see license and registration.
That has nothing to
Okay.
do
10:15.
because. Are you
You're under arrest.
okay? For
No.
what? Why are you arresting?
1050 Kubad focus shift hoda high logistics par dog vehicle child. Ye demonstrate carda high ku arrest Kubad be officer's duty of care maintain cardi hane. Supervisor phone call carda high dog collect karn kuliya. Deki kai's control structured high. Custody secure. For property responsibility. Legal nuance. Failure to identify on a legal traffic stop. Ye standalone arrestable offense ho sakta high many states main. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer pukta high. Anything on you that's going to stick me? Ye search incident to arrest safety protocol high. Har action document today. Har step justified articulate guia yarahahai. Transition. Final reflection.
Me, is your
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
wow?
This is
Please
not,
don't-
this isn't,
Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not.
want this.
This is crazy. I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Hop in. $5.26, $10.15.
What is
Is incident ka, escalation ladder, clear high, traffic violation, legal detention, documentation demand, repeated refusal, physical resistance, arrest. Zahan si tutino bukuntens hogaiti zap ego o ugen si glat hu. AAP Kia, Sakti Hain? Kia AAP expect car, Rahi the coup illegal left turn SE custodial arrest hack, bot pohanch jayeji? Deki Kai's control Benaya Gaia, verbal commands, supervisor review, video confirmation. Yahan Har, second Kai impact critical the.
this place?
Ocean Ridge Police Department.
This is chaotic.
Step into the cell. Step into the cell.
Why stuck into there? Why are you putting me in here?
Why am I putting you in here?
Yes.
Why do you think I'm putting you in here?
Why are you putting me in here? This is absurd.
Turn around.
Wow. This is.
What you to do is provide your driver's license
I don't have a driver.
or an ID.
You didn't ask for an ID. You said driver's license or registration. You did not ask for an ID.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll see that on camera. So,
Face the wall.
is someone coming here to speak with us?
Final takeaway. School drop-off urgency, understandable high. Like in traffic law roadside, par negotiate, nahi hoda. AAP notice carry-in. Officer any courtesy D, child drop car and key. Supervisor ne independent review key. Documentation, refusal, central issue bana. Yahan officer ka file ka asar turrent daika. Arrest. Body cam footage hume, surf drama and nahi daikati. Ye decision-making ka blueprint daikati high. Lawful stop ko compliance se simple citation bana ya sakta tieche, lekin resistance ne narrative change kar diya. AAP Kia Cardi Agar, AAPS driver key jagaot. Ye the pura immersive breakdown. Ek routine traffic stop, Joe escalate hua, documented hua, or legally justified arrest par conclude hua.
Everything I need to know about.
No.